Here we go, we've got the unboxing of Steve's Mirage 2000D turbine jet from DragonRC. So there we go. Look, bit wobbly. Can't wait, guys. Here we go. Look at this. Couple of freebies. The bill. Oh, look at the size of those mothers. Wow. God blimey. Oil tanks. These are the oil tanks for your smoke pump. Well, I think we might just put the camera somewhere. Bit hard. How do you unpack when you're freaking... Oh, look at this here. Looky here. Looky here, looky here. Oh. Sorry guys, my garage isn't that big. But it's big enough to fit all that in. Couple of turbines, another small turbines. Oh mate, we've got everything. Alright, we've got the wings unpacked. Everything looks good. No damage. Plugs. Wing plugs. So we've got the wing plugs already done, so it makes it easier. The size of these wheels, they'd have to be about 90-100 mil. Now the contents of the box is very well packed, as you can see. The two-piece fuselage is underneath. Fuse comes in two pieces. Yes, and it's hard to be humble. They're the smoke oil tanks. Yeah, and we're getting deeper as we dig and cut foam away. She's all there. And there we have the rudder section. There we go. Telling you guys, really well packed, and packed full of features. Value for money. Okay, the fuselage comes in two pieces, and here we have the forward half of the fuselage, and everything seems to be quite good. Center tank. Right, you can carry some fuel and oil on this baby. Okay, here we have the aft section of the fuselage. As you can see, we've got lights, bit of dirt, all seems good so far. Got all the goodies in there. Everything's got plugs. Header tank. Shoot. Dig a bit deeper. Alright, got problems, Houston. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Tail pipes in. Bag of goodies inside. Put the hatch somewhere. Stack it up over here. I've got plenty of stuff. Gear everywhere. We need cutters, guys. Uh-oh. Buried here somewhere. There we go. Got me cutters and me snap-on box. Oh, that's the control unit. Wing tube. Carbon fibre. Two more servos for the gear doors. More servos in the wings for the gear doors. Quite a few. There's 7 servos in all in total. I dare say the nose cone's removable, so you can put more gear up front. It's a twist and turn. Overall, I'm happy, I'm wrapped.